Navigating the English language, mastering directional vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on using relative directions. These are basic terms like left, right, straight, forward, backward, up, and down. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to give and receive directions in English. So, let's get started. Relative directions are terms we use to describe the position or direction of one thing in relation to another. They're called relative because they depend on where you are or what direction you're facing. The main relative directions we use in English are left, right, straight, forward, backward, up, and down. To give directions using relative directions, we usually start with the phrase, go, or turn, followed by the direction. For instance, go straight, turn right, or go forward. If you're telling someone to move in the opposite direction they're facing, you could say, go backward. When indicating upward or downward movement, phrases like, go up the stairs, or go down the hallway, are commonly used. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights. Turn right at the next intersection, then go forward for about 1 kilometer. Go up the escalator, then go straight until you see the bookstore. Go down the hall, then turn right at the end. If you reach the elevator, you've gone too far. Go backward and turn right at the hallway. To reinforce what we've learned, let's do a quick activity. I'll describe a route, and you try to visualize it. Start at the front door of a house. Go straight until you reach the kitchen. Turn right and go forward until you reach the dining room. Go up the stairs on your left. At the top of the stairs, turn left and go forward into the bedroom. Did you manage to visualize it? Practice this a few times with different scenarios. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. Remember, the key to learning is consistent practice. Try using these relative directions in your daily life, when you're reading a map, or giving directions to others. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning and see you in the next one.